and a touchscreen very similar to your mobile phone with a very easy navigation. We have multiple icons on the screen to view and display the data from inventory, the status of the gauge, calendar showing you events that have happened, notifications for print or email, history from each tank, maintenance, shift reporting, and more detailed reports. Also a configuration icon for initial setup. By selecting the inventory icon on this touchscreen, you can now see the number of tanks. For this demonstration, we have 4 tanks. If you select on the tank, you now get a more detailed page. By swiping up and down or left and right, you can navigate between all the tanks configured on your system. Easy to navigate, easy to select each time you want, easy to acknowledge any alarms or information that is required. By pressing the home icon, we go back to the main page. Via the status icon, we show you here the status of the tanks. In this example, one tank has an alarm or the sensors. By selecting the tank that has the alarm, we can now go to that tank directly to see which alarm it is and what type of action is required. Via the calendar icon, we see detailed information of the previous month, showing deliveries or alarms. On this example, we have some alarms. By selecting the alarm triangle on the day associated, we can show that alarm in detail. For this, we have multiple alarms on that site. So to navigate back, you press home. Via the notification icon, the user can select options to print tickets or send by email. With the history icon, we show each tank by 1 week, 4 weeks, or 1 day. By swiping up and down or left and right, the user can navigate between each tank on the system. The maintenance icon on the main screen is for software updates or to download some information for technicians. By using a simple USB stick, the email software updates can be emailed to the customer, inserted into the bottom of the console, and applied locally on site. Via the reports option, the customer can select detailed reports, including sales, shifts, leaks, deliveries, or alarms. By selecting each option, they get a more detailed report. Also, by scrolling up and down, you can select the data. The last icon on the screen is configuration. This is used for technicians to set the site up and requires a PIN for safety.